Last Monday and the week before, I talked about SoundHound and I talked about SoFi and I talked about some other stuff in the video. Go back and check it out. Those particular ones are up. If you bought them when I told you that I was buying them or putting more money into them. So they're looking pretty good right now. Now, just so you know, I'm not trying to give you any financial advice at all. I'm just telling you what I do. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jemecia-Nurse Practitioner Extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. Now, today is Money Monday, and I told you all that I was going to be coming on here and I was going to be discussing the stocks that I buy on Monday. Now, I don't necessarily know if I'm going to buy stocks on Monday, but here lately I've been buying stocks on Monday. So, Money Monday. That's why I'm going to name this particular segment Money Monday. Last Monday and the week before, I talked about SoundHound and I talked about SoFi and I talked about some other stuff in the video. Go back and check it out. Those particular ones are up. If you bought them when I told you that I was buying them or putting more money into them. So they're looking pretty good right now. Now, just so you know, I'm not trying to give you any financial advice at all. I'm just telling you what I do. This is not for you to do anything. This is just what I do. So I'm just giving you guys like a little bit of insight. And I'm tired, y'all. I'm beat. As you guys know, if you guys follow me at all on Instagram under Dr. Jemecia or my channel here on YouTube, the Nurse Practitioner Extraordinaire, you guys know that I've been traveling to Bali and Dubai. And I've been on the plane for 24 hours each way. And I'm pretty tired, a little jet lagged too. But I did want to come and get this video done because I want to keep the Money Monday series going. I want to be committed to it. So this Monday, and I'll show you guys a clip on what I bought, but I did want to talk to you guys about what I bought today and why I bought it. And honestly, guys, my decision to buy something is sometimes emotional. It's sometimes because I've researched it. It's sometimes because somebody I know is going through something related to the stock that I get. And one of the stocks that I bought today, Adeyra, is related to someone that I know who's going through something. And I think this research that they do is going to be amazing. And so since I'm already talking about it, I did buy Adeyra stock today. The ticker symbol for that is ALDX. And I did like 100 shares of that today. And the research behind it, guys, is so amazing because I have a friend, very close friend, actually my very close friend. So I'm not going to name names. They'll know who they are when they hear this. If they ever hear this, has a son who has an eye condition called retinitis pigmentosa. And what this does is it will eventually cause the person to become blind at an early age. So probably before they reach 30. And this research is to combat that. And I thought, you know, I'm gonna invest in this research. Whether they do great or not, I think where they're going with it is amazing. And even though I got this stock because of that particular disease, this company, if you look them up, they're not doing great, guys. They're not doing great. Actually, they've been doing kind of bad, but they did say that they're going to try to get a partnership with another bigger pharmaceutical company. But this is an emotional, this was an emotional buy for me. As I said, I have a friend, a very close friend, who is going through this with her son. and I'm very close to the sun as well. So I went on and I invested into the company. And this is one of the ones I'm probably going to keep for a long time unless they, partner with someone and somebody buys the company or whatever the case may be. I think the cost per share is decent right now. I looked at it right before I started to do this video. It's down to $5.08. I actually got it when it was $5.20 earlier this morning when I made my buys. And I probably would have got it, at a better price, of course, if I would have kept looking at it and watching it. But I'm just too tired to do that today. So I just went on and bought it because I know I was going to buy it anyway. So that's the other one that's the first one that I want to tell you about. The second one that I got was Intel. And I listen to a lot of these YouTube gurus and whatnot as far as what's going around, what's hot to buy, what's not, whatever. And there are several that I love. Like, there's so many, but there are some that I listen to all the time that I absolutely love. And you guys know I met this guy, Larry Jones, at InvestFest and did a little video with him, and I uploaded that. And he has a friend that he also works with, and his name is Josh, so Stocks with Josh, who also I listen to a lot. And his stuff, he's very good. His stuff, none of these people give financial advice because we can't do that, right, on YouTube. But some of his stuff is good, y'all. Check him out. He's decent. Larry Jones, his stuff too. Love both of them. Matter of fact, they're coming to Hampton, Virginia, and I'm going to see them when they come this weekend. So I'm looking forward to that because I love stuff like that. So they're putting this is not a financial event. This is more of a spiritual event. But I love that because how else will we gain wealth without God, right? There's no other way. So anyway, that's dope to me. So I will be going to that this weekend. They have a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but I'm going to all of it. And it's free, y'all. What? Where they did that? But anyway, so I'm excited about that. Back to what I was saying. So Intel, I went on and got 100 shares of that as well because it only makes sense, right? We are so big into AI, semiconductors, and all of that. And I figured it would be a smart move to do it, to get some Intel, because this is the company that the president has decided to invest money into. Of all the AI, of all the semiconductor companies that are going on right now, he decided to invest into that one. I think he put like 500 billion, or America put 500 billion. Y'all don't quote me because it could be 50 billion. Who knows? But it's a lot of money. And I said, if we're investing like that, then I'm gonna buy it. That will be something that I hold on to. Now, if you do not know what semiconductors are, then look that up too. All I know is that the companies that are making all the money right now are either in some type of AI something or semiconductor something. And Intel is into that. So the other companies that are kind of like in competition or like Intel are like NVIDIA, Taiwan Semiconductor, Broadcom, who else? AMD. There's some more out there, but these are the ones that are along the lines of Intel. And of those, the only one I own is NVIDIA. So I own NVIDIA, and then now I own Intel. So those are the ones, that's my money Monday moment for you. Those are the ones that I'm investing in. And I figure that I'll hold on to the Intel for a while. Now, if it goes up crazy, like they're predicting that it will go up, if it goes up crazy, I'll probably sell half of what I own and hold on to the other half, and then wait till it drops back down and buy some more, and on and on and on, like a rinse and repeat type thing that I plan on doing. So that is pretty much all that I have for you guys today. Again, I am very tired because I just got back into the country, and I'm excited about that. And another thing too that was really humbling while I was over there is that the people are so nice and they're so happy. And from what I saw, from what I can tell, even out in town, outside of the hotel that I was at, which was the Hard Rock Hotel in Bali, but outside of the hotel, because I thought maybe it's just the people here because they have to be nice. But even outside, the people were so friendly and so nice. And when I say what my humbling moment was, one of the people that was taking us around was telling us that a good job and a good day for them is someone who makes $15 a day. $15 a day. And I was just like, man, that's very humbling. Yeah. And so it was a great trip. It really was a great trip. It was a trip that I did not expect to feel some of the things that I felt. I don't know, weird. I mean, anyway, that's another video. This is my Money Monday moment. And I'm done. Y'all, thank you so much for watching. I do want to put a clip in here. I'll let you guys see. Maybe I'll do a side-by-side where I'm talking. You guys can look at some of the stuff that I got. I have a lot of stocks that I have dollar cost averaging that I buy every 2 weeks anyway. Just puts money in there every 2 weeks, no matter what the stock is doing, no matter what it's what the rate is or the cost of it, because they're the stocks that I love that I'm going to hold forever. But because I am closer to retirement than I'm closer to retirement, I am being a little bit more aggressive with my portfolio. I'm not letting it just sit and do what it does. I am actively moving money around, buying this, buying that, changing this, changing that, because I am going to be retiring, within the next year to 3 years. So I figure I should be a little bit more aggressive, because when I do retire, I won't be working as much. Thank you, Lord. But anyway, I don't know how I got in this conversation when I'm trying to say bye. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.